southbound. Oh, now they're going to be going east, around one car and then eastbound. Here is 79th Street. Yeah. I'm with you. I'm with you. Hello, hello. Yes, sir. 430 lead. Southbound on 7th Avenue. From 79th Street. Yeah, I think there's two groups, and I think Metro's got the other group. They did anyway. Yeah, we're just staying with the chopper. The other chopper's following them here. And they're going to go westbound, Joe. Yeah. Okay. All right. Very good. All right. Okay. Yeah, they're all over the place. Oh, I see them. Yeah, they're going up to 7th Avenue now. Right. Yeah. Let's see where they're going. They're circling around here at this intersection. This is 12th Avenue. All right. JC, where'd you say that Sunoco was? 103? Yeah, I know where it is. Okay, got it. We're southbound. These guys are southbound. They just passed Northwestern High School on 12th Avenue. There, joined up with another group. Yeah. Coming up on 62nd. I see Edison there. Right by the police substation. Turning northbound on 7th Avenue. All right. All right, we're next, Joe. Yeah, not just the stunts, Greg, but the disregard for speed and for the rules of the road here. We've just been monitoring for the past half hour. We were in Dade County around 103rd Street and 27th Avenue, and that the drive took us down to 62nd Street. Then it took us west into Hialeah, and a big circle performed there. These riders split up into several different groups. They are being monitored by the police departments and agencies in Dade and Broward County. As you watch this group right now go underneath I-95. This is going to be at 71st Street here, and this is a large group, a group that's gotten together now in about the past 5 or 10 minutes. There were only maybe 20 riders in this group, and it now has expanded to about 40 or 50. At least it was in the last year. They're coming. The rest of them are coming underneath the overpass now, coming eastbound here. Again, as we said before, it gets a little routine, but it's the disregard for not only their own safety, but for the safety of the other drivers out there. And as we said before, the police departments and agencies in Dade and Broward County have
not wearing his helmet, but a really dangerous situation. I mean, they haven't gotten on the freeway, at least to the point we've seen, but they're certainly going in and out of the side streets. We saw a couple of them break off and go through a random drive-through at a fast food place, and they are using both sides of the roads here. I mean, look at that as that car goes the other way. Understandably, that the cops there in Miami are a bit nervous, and this could end very badly for somebody.
It already has, actually. I'm just reading right now that it looks like there was at least one injury as far as a crash goes, someone taken to the hospital. Don't know if it was somebody who was involved simply in the rally or somebody who was hit by somebody involved in the rally, but going pretty quick here. I mean, think about where they are in something of a commercial area, it appears, and I'm not sure if it's residential as well, but it looks at least commercial. It looks like residential now, and they're going through that area pretty quickly. So that really is the danger this afternoon as we watch this play out. It's not just that this is happening, but that it is causing a lot of danger for a lot of other people. And as police have come up to them, apparently, like you said, Jen, they've split up into different groups, kind of gone around, and then they kind of come back together as we're seeing right now.
All right, we'll keep an eye on the situation here in Miami. If things get even more out of control or more people join it, we'll kind of pop back into our live pictures. We are, by the way, streaming this on the Fox 5 app if you want to download that and keep watching what's happening there in Miami-Dade. Meantime, there's been a possible breakthrough in negotiations between North and South Korea over next month's Olympic Games.
And the two countries now talking about putting together a joint hockey team.
Coming southbound. It's all right. No. Okay, do whatever you got to do. Don't worry about it. Yeah. The train arm is down. Right. JC, I'm off the Pro Channel for now. Thank you. Oh, let me ask you a question. What's our fuel going to be like? So 5:30? Yeah, okay. Let me give them a call. So if we leave after 5, we could be back for 6. Okay. 836 News Skyforce 836. I just wanted to touch base with you. We can stay up for the 5 and then be back for the 6 if we go to get fuel after the 5, or we can stay until 5:30 and then we probably wouldn't be back for the 6. Thank you. '54th Street and North Miami Avenue. Sunoco is the fuel of choice. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 54th Street and North Miami Avenue, JC. He's westbound now. Yep. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. There you go. Yeah. Westbound, underneath you. Southbound, and then westbound again. Okay. Southbound on 12th Avenue. Southbound on 12th Avenue from coming up on the Airport Expressway here. So 42nd, 41st Street. Yeah, 46th Street southbound. Okay. 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 Oh, we're in Wynwood. All right. That's Northwest 6th Avenue, just the other side of the, or 5th Avenue. Let's see here. It is 6th Avenue. Yeah. Oh, I've got the Miami police chopper radio frequency up. Just came up on my scanner. The blue helicopter. Northwest 5th Avenue, just south of Wynwood, coming up maybe 21st Street going eastbound on, yeah, maybe 21st. Yes, sir, with you. All right. Okay, I'll stay with you. Stand by one. Huh. 11th Street and 2nd Avenue. Westbound now on 11th Street. Westbound on 11th Street. Okay. I think they're going to be heading westbound till they get till 7th Avenue, and then, you know, that's their familiar ground there. We'll see. No, I'm wrong. Third Court. Pretty close. Yeah, they got to go north or south here. They're going north block anyway. They're on Northwest 8th Street eastbound from 3rd Avenue, northeast 3rd Avenue and 8th Street eastbound. Biscayne Boulevard and 8th Street. imagine. I mean, they're going to go down to the end and make a U-turn, or let's see what they're doing. Or they're making a U-turn, Joe. They're going to go northbound on Biscayne. Maybe they're going to the Torch of Freedom. Yeah. A36, this is all Biscayne Boulevard. Biscayne Boulevard right in front of Bayside in the arena. All right. You can just go right behind him if you want. That's fine. Something a little different. Yeah, I know. Yep, all the way back to here. Yes, sir. Maybe they're going to go by the station. I don't know. But they're, yeah, they're still northbound on Biscayne. Maybe they're going to Dogma. There's a hot dog place called Dogma. Oh, going over. Hey, now. Okay. "33rd Street." Okay. Okay, got it. Right here, they're going to go in the gas station. Okay. Yeah, Belkis, that tactic of keeping them off the highways has worked so far. What they've done is they've used the surface streets here. We followed this group from 103rd Street and Northwest 7th Avenue all the way to downtown. They did a tour of the Miami Arena and that area down there around Bayside, and then came north on Biscayne Boulevard and have stopped at this Shell gas station here at the corner of 36th Street and Biscayne Boulevard. It looks like some of them are topping off their tanks, a lot of them stepping off of their vehicles and their motorcycles for a short period of time. They are being monitored, as we said earlier, by agencies, police agencies, including the Florida Highway Patrol, Broward Sheriff's Office. City of Miami actually has their police helicopter up. It's down below us right now, monitoring and sending information back as they keep watch on this one particular group that has swelled to over 100 people on ATVs and motorcycles in this area. There's another call that we heard just about 10 minutes ago around 37th Avenue over near the airport, and apparently they're experiencing some activity, similar activity at that location. As we get more information, we'll get it back to you. That's our story here in Skyforce HD. I'm Ralph Raven reporting live. Yeah. We'll give them another 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll go, or maybe 5 minutes. Here it is. It's a BMW. They're heading northbound. They just pulled out of the gas station at 36th Street. We did have a police officer jump out of his vehicle to try to stop them, but they're a little too quick. Uh, 836 News. They stopped this BMW here, the white one with the door open. They believe that might be one of their like command units. All right, let's go to 5-4. Let's go up there. 5-4 Street. Now they're going westbound on 5-4. Now they're doing northbound. Edwin, they're on Northeast 2nd Avenue now. Northeast 2nd, north of 54th Street, going northbound. There's Churchill's. Northeast 2nd Avenue, north of 54th Street. Correct, but it's part of the group. It's part of the group because we've seen them all over. They were in Hialeah. They were at 103rd. Everywhere we've been, that BMW's been there. Okay, I'm 100% sure that they're part of the group because we've got video of them at the other last gas station we were at before this one. They were at that gas station too. Thank you, my brother. Going over. Hey, Chris. Hello, hello, hello. '79th Street, Northeast 2nd Avenue, coming up right there. Northeast 2nd, yeah. I'm back with you, Chris. Westbound on 79th Street from Northeast 2nd. Westbound on 79th Street from Northeast 2nd. This guy got stuck on his yeah. Let's see here. Yep. Let's go. 3 horses going to. Yes, sir. They just crossed I-95. They're west of 95 on 79th Street. Edwin, on the Miami scanner, if you can get Miami Police Juvenile, they're giving out a real-time locations. A little rain out there. Looks like it rained right here, doesn't it? Down on our left. Yeah. No, the chopper. Oh no, I was talking to Edwin. I was just letting Edwin know that if he just punched it up on his scanner back at a desk, he could listen to the whole thing instead of having to ask us every 5 minutes. But that's okay. Northbound accident here. Oh, they're just watching in case these guys jump on the road. Oh, you know what? That's an ATV. They stopped. Yeah. 836 News, Skyforce 836. That's all right. Turnpike northbound, single vehicle, single ATV stopped by 2 troopers if you want it. Okay. All righty. All right.